Here?
I think we should follow the blue one, isn't it?
Which one?
This one.
Oh, huh.
You want to go on the bridge and take some pictures?
No, it's no views. Huh? There's no view. Oh, what is that? Amazing.
Yeah, it's there.
Hey guys, dito kami sa gitna ng forest. Kasi pupunta kami sa waterfalls. So, kung nakikita nyo, napansin nyo is, ano siya, marami siya mga pine tree. Pero wala ditong walang ahas or something guys. So para siyang sobrang lamig sa kamay. Oh, we have chair there. If you want to sit there, you can sit whatever you want. And yeah, there's nothing new. Huh? I guess. Sobrang lamig.